Hello and welcome to the Leather Repair Company training facilities here in Hull. This is the theory room. This is where we're going to be going through talking about leather, understanding a bit about leather, getting to know a great deal about leather ID and everything else that you need to know to understand the product, the coatings, the surfaces and the different materials that you get with leather to ensure that your business flourishes and is a success from day one. So this is some of the sort of facilities that we've got here and some of the things that you get. You can get like leather ID books, which you can purchase from us while you're here. These are for you to borrow while you're at the training facilities. We have everything here that you can think of to get to understand leather properly so that you know what you're dealing with. We talk about the reasons why you don't use ceramics on leather and you use other types of products because the leather needs to breathe. We talk to you about the thicknesses because a lot of people don't understand the thicknesses of the coatings on the surface. We talk to you about the importance of leather protection and why you can use leather protection creams on leather, albeit a lot of people tell you can't. And we explain to you the science behind why you should and why you can use them, and it's a logical reason. The slideshow is everything that we're going to talk about. Is a bit about leather. This is going to go through talking about the environmental issues that you have with leather, the impact it has on our environment for being a very environmentally eco-friendly product, the fact that it is a repairable product, it is a very safe product, and it is a very green product. So for any business, it's a very important keyword is the green credentials that leather offers for your business. And obviously with the way the world is today, we need to be very green conscious and we need to take care of our carbon footprint. Obviously understanding leathers is very important, and this is just a small selection of different leather types that we've got here. And knowing them is very, very important. We've obviously got some pigmented leathers here that you can see, these four here, and they all look very, very similar, other than, this one has quite a bobbly grain on it. Now, they're not the same. They're all pigmented, but they're very, very different. And you need to understand those, exactly why they're different. Then you need to get to understand things like your suedes and nubucks, and you need to understand what those are. Because if you're going to work on items like that, you need to know what they are and able to repair them, able to clean them, protect them, or do whatever it is that you need to do to them. You need to understand them fully before you can actually start work on them. And that is one thing we teach you, is the science behind the grain. And it's one thing why we talk about that, about the science behind the grain. So in here is the practical side of things. This is where you'll be working on your leather items. We have a full facility in here for everything that you need to work on. All these cupboards are full up with all your training aids and equipment that you need while you're here at the facility. Obviously in here we have everything that you need to use. We've got a complete full workshop area. This is your dedicated room to work in. And we obviously talk about all different types of leathers we got here as well that we run through with these. And if you want to have a dab hand at sewing, you can do, but it's not something that we train with. We have a complete book that we go through with you, which is a bit about leather, which is our slideshow that we go through to talk to you about all the different types of situations that you can get in, and the carbon and the cowl uses and stain removal, and anything and everything you can think of. It doesn't matter what it is that you're bringing to us, whether it's a car seat, sofa, shoes, handbags, jackets. It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's pigmented leather, suede or vinyl, hard plastics. Our system works on anything and everything. You don't need different systems to work like you do with a lot of organisations. With our system, it works on anything and everything, and it's a fantastic system that we have that enables you to use the leather colorants on leather, vinyl and hard plastics. Obviously, as well as the training, we have the support facilities that we help with. We have a 24/7, and yes it is, it's a 24/7 support system that we have at the Leather Repair Company. This isn't just open during office hours here in the UK. We train people from all over the world, and our support system is available 24/7. We have very experienced technicians throughout the world that have been doing leather for many, many, many years, and they are there to help you as trainers as well. So I mean, this isn't just us as a training provider. We have trainers in other parts of the world, so we are literally truly global with our training, and the support system we offer is a 24/7 support system. We believe that once you've been trained, the aftercare and support is absolutely crucial to the success of your business and to the ongoing success. And the aftercare is something that we believe in and the training afterwards is also as crucial as the training you get whilst on the course. And we believe that that facility that we provide is the best backup network in the world over any of our competitors, and we're very proud of that support system that we have. You know, we don't just offer you an online support system. You can reach out with emails, we can hop on videos, whatever you need support with, Leather Repair Company is there to help you as your #1 training provider, you know, in the leather repair industry, as well as obviously the best products in the world to help you do what you need to do. So that's everything you need to know about our training facilities here in Hull, and let's get to know a little bit about leather.